Hello everyone, I'm Aadrita. Did you know why objects behind water looks reversed? It's because one of light's characteristics called refraction. Refraction is the bending of light which makes the objects behind water looks reversed. Experiment, you need some white paper, a pen, color pen and an empty glass. Now I'm going to draw a picture. What can I draw? Let's draw a fish. Now let's pour some water and it should come reversed. Now let's put it right here. Dun 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 dun. See, it looks reversed because of refraction. This makes it completely reversed. Thank you for watching this video.